See, it's wanted to get that corn chip or whatever under that chair there, as you can see. But you can see how it goes around those chair legs. And, you know, does a good job of sweeping around them. Now it should come up here and go under this chair and see if it'll pick up that corn chip. So I'm going under the table as much as it can, because that's a clawfoot table, so it's can't hardly see it, I don't think. When it's supposed to do its duty. Oh, maybe it's that over there. Anyway, that's some of the more complicated, when it got it, that's some of the more complicated stuff it does. Now see, I've moved that chair. It really can't go under that. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So it's going to come around here, and then finally it'll, you know, it makes its big sweep. It's like it's mowing the yard after a while. But this room is very complicated, this dining room. Oop, coming into the kitchen. It's going to get the threshold. Then it's going to, I think it'll turn and go back in there. And it'll start getting that larger area there. It's going to go along the mop. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Oh, now it's mad. So something's knocked over, didn't it? Wow, that's interesting. Oh yeah, well, okay. All right, we'll make it disappear. Let's see what happens. That's right. Get rid of all your old mops and everything else. That's a neat thing. Not really. Now it's gonna go over here and it's gonna start getting. Oh, it's got to go around the edge of everything. I wish it did the baseboards. That's what we really need. There's its own cord, of course. It actually identifies cords as being there. I could move that more over and hide the cord a little better, but it'll come back over here and do it. Anyway, that's enough. It's finally going to just, you know, when it does this run, it just goes back and forth and back and forth. Goes around, goes under the couch. Quite a little piece of machinery. So, anyway, be surprised what it picks up, especially when it mops.
Charging. Charging. Charging.
charging contacts and retry.
We do.
Finished cleaning. Returning to the dock. Starting to wash the mop. Starting to wash the mop. To wash the mop. Positioning. Stand by.
Is this the mop?
Position established. Error 5. Main brush jammed. Clean main brush and bearings. Dustbin removed.
It's still there. See? Nothing has been taken out.
So this is before we move the robot into the dock. Light is on. But and for a robot, push any button, it doesn't respond anything. And I push this robot into the dock. The three buttons light on briefly, and then just like the light on the dock is blinking.
You can see by the grid marks that the vacuum went over this twice last night. This actually isn't even as bad as I've gotten before. So, I mean, I don't know what to say except it's not like deeply ground in. Disappointment.
Adventure begins at your local Jeep SUV dealer with the most awarded SUV brand. During the Jeep Labor Day sales event, get 4,000 total bonus cash allowance plus no monthly payments for 90 days on the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport.
Never miss a moment. Box Mobile. Download it on your TV today.
This is one of those moments. You get ready to play.
We really like our roborock. We bought it because my parents had it first and they really recommended it, so we bought it, and you can customize a lot of things on the app, and you can set boundaries so that it doesn't go into certain areas, and it's just a little thing that we just keep it here, and we really like it. It's a game changer for sure.
So there's these white marks right here. As you can see, it's exactly where the roborock measurement, where it passed, and it just kind of did this all across.
Robot to dock communication failed. Unable to wash the mop.
You just don't care about.
Yes, I do! Do you think that I knew that I sat there thinking, oh great, the dog's gonna get his...
So this is what happens every day. My carpet's not cleaned and it dies and it picks up cords and my cord is completely broken now. This roborock sucks. It's triple the price of a Roomba and it works half the ass.
star turret or laser blocked. Check for obstruction and retry. Error 5. Main brush jammed.